Is harsh sunlight making your drives unbearable? Tired of your vehicle feeling like an oven? Concerned about harmful UV rays impacting your health? Seeking more privacy for your family on the go? Discover how to personalize your window tint with Smart Tinting. Reduce heat inside your car with our customized tints. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Find the perfect tint for your specific needs and style. Expert tinting services for your vehicle at iSmart Tinting. Not just for cars, our tints are perfect for your home too. From dark tints for maximum privacy to lighter tints for UV protection. Drive comfortably and stylishly with our range of tints. Perfect tints for your office windows too. Enjoy peace of mind and enhanced privacy with our tints. Stay protected from harmful sun rays. No matter the vehicle, we have the perfect tint for you. Expert advice to help you choose the right tint. Drive at night with less glare from headlights. Step into a world of comfort and privacy.